In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a cover on TikTok through Hootsuite. Adding a cover helps your post look polished and intentional. It also makes your video stand out when people scroll through their feed. Let us walk through the process step by step using Hootsuite. First, click the plus. Create a post. You will usually see this as a prominent blue button. Take a moment to find it in your Hootsuite dashboard. Once you click it, Hootsuite will open the Composer area where you can select your account and start building the post. Next, select your TikTok account. In the Composer window, look for the option to choose which social profile you want to post from. Click the TikTok account you intend to use, so Hootsuite knows where the content is going. This matters because the upload options and final posting settings can depend on the connected destination. Now you are ready to add your media. Upload your video into the media workspace. In the media area, choose the file upload option and select the video from your computer. After the upload finishes, give the system a second to process the file. You should see a preview appear, which is the video thumbnail area on the screen. After that, hover your mouse over the uploaded video preview thumbnail on the right side. This is an important action because it reveals the controls for how the video can be managed. When you move your cursor over that thumbnail, you should see interactive options or a way to open settings related to the video. Once the preview area responds, click Video Settings or the gear icon. The gear icon is commonly used to indicate configurable options. This step takes you into the specific panel where you can set things like the upload cover. Keep an eye on the screen so you open the correct settings menu tied to this video. Inside Video Settings, you will see an option labeled Upload Image. Click Upload Image to upload a custom graphic. If you want to use your own cover, this can be useful when you have a branded thumbnail or a specific frame designed for promotion. If you choose this route, select the image you want to use and confirm the selection so Hootsuite attaches it to the post. If you do not have a custom image, you can instead choose a cover frame from the video. To do that, go back to the timeline or video bar shown in the settings. Then scrub the video bar to pick a video frame. As you move along the bar, you are effectively selecting the exact moment that will become the cover. Look for the frame that best represents the video, since this is what viewers will see before they press play. When you have selected either your custom graphic or your chosen frame, you are almost done. The final step is to click Save. This ensures your cover selection is stored and tied to the post you are composing. After you click Save, give the interface a brief moment so the cover update is applied. And that covers everything you need to know.